So now kita akan belajar about discount. Okay, so there are two types of discount, that are trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount means discount given by seller to encourage buyer buy in bulk. That is to encourage buy in a large quantities. Okay, that is the meaning of trade discount. Okay, so trade discount is deducted directly from the total selling price and will not be recorded in the books of account. Okay, example macam trade discount ni, contoh macam buy one free one. See, it's a trade discount. Okay, encourage untuk beli banyak. So next discount is cash discount. So cash discount ni ada dua jenis pula, that are discount received as well as discount allowed. Okay, so let's see in detail what is the meaning of trade discount. So trade discount is a deduction in price given to a trade customer when calculating the price to be charged to that customer for some goods. Trade discount does not appear anywhere in the accounting books, as we are not going to record the trade discount. Okay, then trade discount does not appear anywhere in the financial statement as well. Dah sebab kita tak record, so of course it won't appear in the financial statement. Trade discount given to attract traders to buy in large quantity. Ini function dia. Okay, untuk menggalakkan buyer buy in large quantities. So now let's go to the example. Okay, for example, Amina bought goods in bulk from Aman Berhad worth 4,000 ringgit and payment is made by check. She was given a 5% trade discount. Okay, remember trade discount is not recorded in any books of the business. So how are we going to calculate it? Okay, terus dia 5% ni trade discount dia dapat ni times with 4,000. So you know the trade discount will the customer will get 200 ringgit of discount. Thus sales only 3,800 je lah. So 3,800 sahaja yang customer akan bayar. Dan kita pun akan record hanyalah 3,800. Sebab tu kita akan debit bank 3,800 and credit sales 3,800. Okay, kenapa kita debit bank? Because the payment is made by check. So bila customer bayar menggunakan bank, bank kita akan increase. When bank increase, bank is your asset. So when asset increase, you need to debit the asset. So that's why we debit the bank. Okay, so whenever your customer bought goods, so it's referring to your sales. Sales is your revenue. So when revenue is increased, you need to credit. That's why we credit the sales for 3,800. So trade discount tu RM200 ni kita tak akan record di mana-mana, sebab kita terus direct terus tolak. Okay, kita terus tolak dekat selling price tu. Ni lah, the deduction in price given to a trade customer when calculating the price to be charged. Sebab tu kita tak akan record kat mana-mana accounting book, right? So kalau you nampak dalam soalan trade discount, inilah yang you all kena buat. Okay, so now let's go to the cash discount. Cash discount is an allowance given by seller to the buyer. Okay, seller here, you must remember there are two types of seller, which mean it can be you, your company itself, or your supplier. Okay, so buyer pun of course will be your customer or you yourself, your company. Okay. So cash discount is to encourage the buyer to make prompt payment. Kita menggalakkan buyer kita ni bayar dengan keadaan segera. That's why kita akan bagi cash discount. So there are two types of cash discount, that are discount allowed as well as discount received. Okay. Kenapa boleh adanya two type of cash discount ni? Sebab seller and buyer have two entities. So kalau discount allowed, maksudnya discount give to the buyer, deducted from sales. Discount allowed, you are giving a discount to your customer. Whereas discount received, discount given by the seller, deducted from the purchases. Which means discount received, you receive the discount from your supplier. Okay. So maksudnya kalau if you give discount allowed to your customer, the adjustment that you need to do is that you need to deduct from the sales. Whereas when you receive a discount from your supplier, you need to deduct from your purchases. Itu beza dia, okay? So they are not a deduction from selling price. Okay? Kalau trade discount, it is a deduction from selling price. Kita terus ditolak kat selling price tu. So both of this discount allowed and discount received will be recorded on SOPL, statement of profit and loss. Now let's go to the discount allowed or sales discount. Okay, nama lain untuk discount allowed ialah sales discount. A deduction from the amount due given to customer who pay their accounts with the time allowed. So you can refer page 53. So untuk journal entry discount allowed ni, kita akan debit discount allowed, credit account receivable. Ni journal entry dia. Okay. Discount allowed, kenapa or nama dia discount allowed or sales discount? Sebab nanti dalam statement of profit and loss, di bahagian sales, kita akan tolak discount allowed. Okay. Sebab tu dia juga namakan sales discount. Format dia ada, you can refer to page 88. Okay. Format statement of profit and loss. So sekarang ni, macam mana boleh jadi ni journal entry debit discount allowed credit account receivable ni? Because discount allowed is your expenses. Okay, discount expenses. So whenever expenses increase, we need to debit it. So that's why we debit discount allowed. So bila you bagi discount allowed, effect dia lagi satu, it will decrease your customer account receivable. Sebab kita given to customer. Maksudnya kan cash discount kita bagi untuk pastikan customer kita buat prompt payment. Maksudnya dia beli dengan kita secara kredit lah. That's why kita akan bagi cash discount. Okay. So sebab tu kita akan credit account receivable. Effect dia account receivable akan berkurang. So account receivable is our asset. Bila asset berkurang, you need to credit it. Okay. So ni contoh dia lah. Okay. Page 53. Kat atas ni ada 31st January, Abdul settle amount owed by check after being allowed a cash discount of 2% to the transaction. Okay, so dia kata kita tahu amount yang Abdul hutang kita ialah 2850. So discount allowed, cash discount is 2%. So 2% times with 2850, so you will get 57 ringgit. Amount received from Abdul 2850 minus dengan diskaun kita bagi ni. So inilah yang Abdul bayar kat kita, 2793. This is the working. So now macam mana kita nak masuk dekat dalam journal entry? First kali you kena record the discount first. This one, the 57 ringgit. So since discount is our expenses, so if ada expenses akan increase. When expenses increase, we need to debit. Debit discount allowed RM57. And then kita akan mengurangkan account receivable. Account receivable Abdul lah kat sini. Abdul customer kita, okay? So kita akan credit account receivable Abdul for 57 ringgit. So next, kita kena record ni 2793 duit yang kita receive. Sebab transaction dia on 31st January, Abdul settle the amount owed by check. Maksudnya dia settlekan hutang dia. Maksudnya dia bayar semualah. Okay, so by check. So maksudnya Abdul bayar menggunakan bank. So bank kita pun akan increase. Effect dia bank akan increase. Bank is our asset. Bila asset increase, we need to debit. So debit bank 2793. Bila dia dah membayar semua hutang, so of course account receivable Abdul will decrease. Okay, how much? Same, 2793. Account receivable is an asset. When asset decrease, you need to credit it. So that's why kita akan credit account receivable. So next kita akan buat ledger entry. Okay, sekarang ni kita ada discount allowed. Okay, tulis je, buat je T account, title discount allowed. This one is debit, this one is credit. So discount allowed on debit side. So kat debit tulis on 31st January. Particulars dia akan jadi opposite kan. So account receivable Abdul 57. Okay, next kita akan buka pula account receivable Abdul. So buka account receivable. This one is debit, this one is credit. So 19th of January ni Abdul beli dengan kita. So that's why kita akan record sales sebanyak 2850. Lepas tu patut account receivable ni ada 2. So you credit kan. So tulis kat sini on 31st January. Particulars dia discount allowed lah. Discount allowed 57. And then lagi satu pun kita tulis bank. Tulis bank 2793. So maksudnya dia dah pun buat settle kan semua hutang dia. Sebab sama, debit side and credit side sama. So we are saying that account receivable Abdul have a zero balance. When zero balance, you tak perlu masukkan dalam try balance. Okay, remember that. So next kita buka lah account bank. Same, this debit, this credit. So bank 31st January you debit kan. So kita akan tulis sebagai account receivable Abdul. How much? 2793. So this one going to be balance carried down. Balance carried down 2793 57. So discount lot ni debit, have a debit balance. Bank account also have a debit balance. Right. Settle. So next, going to look at the discount receipt. Discount receipt is a deduction from the amount due given to a business by a supplier when their account is paid before the time allowed has elapsed. Itu discount receipt. Okay, keyword here you kena ingat discount receipt ni from supplier. So bila supplier, dia akan effect you punya purchase account. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat statement of profit and loss page 88 tu, discount receipt you akan tolak dekat bahagian cost of sales. This one. Nampak ni. This discount allowed. This one, discount receipt. Discount allowed kan tadi? Discount allowed ataupun sales discount. So kita kena tolak. Format you mula-mula sale, lepas tu you akan tolak apa-apa lah yang mengurangkan sales, iaitu one of it is discount allowed. So you akan dapat net sales, discount allowed dan juga sales return. Lepas tu format dia, kita akan tolak cost of sales. So dalam cost of sales tu, macam mana nak kira cost of sales? First kita kena ambil opening inventory punya figure, tambah purchase, tolakkan dengan purchase return and discount receipt. Ni kita akan go through chapter 6. Tapi I nak show I nak tunjuk kat you all ni discount allowed and discount receipt ni. Okay, kat mana dia nanti untuk you record nanti. Jangan tertukar. Okay, sebab tu you kena tahulah what is discount receipt and what is discount allowed. Bila you tahu, bila you faham, InsyaAllah tak akan tertukar. Discount allowed maksudnya allowed, memberi. Siapa yang beri? Kita. Kita has a company sekarang ni. So discount allowed, company give to customer. So effect dia dekat bahagian sales lah. Customer mesti, bila customer beli, you akan dapat sales. So bila you bagi discount allowed, dia akan mengurangkan sales. Whereas to discount receipt, discount diterima. So you terima discount tu from whom? From your supplier. So when you receive from your supplier, it will reduce your purchase. Bila you beli je apa-apa goods from your supplier, it will increase your purchase expenses. That's why bila supplier bagi discount, purchase expense you akan decrease. Okay? So now let's see the example. Page 50, page 51. Okay? Page 51. So on 31st January, paid amount owed to Aminah Trading by check after deducting a cash discount of 2%. Sekarang ni Aminah Trading tu is our supplier. Sebab amount owed, amount yang kita hutang. Kalau tadi Abdul yang settlekan amount owed. Okay, ni kita paid. So that's why Aminah Trading is our supplier. So sekarang ni amount yang kita hutang dengan Aminah ialah 1,900. So discount receipt is 2%. So 2% from 1,900 is RM38. So kita mendapat RM38 discount. So total yang kita bayar kepada Aminah is 1,900 minus with RM38. So you will get 1862. So again, samalah cara you nak record. First, you kena record discount received dulu. Okay. So account journal entry untuk discount received, you akan debit account payable, and then you akan credit discount received. Okay. Bila discount receive, you akan, maksudnya dapat discount, so expenses you berkurang. When your expenses decrease, you need to credit. That's why kita credit discount receive. Okay. So bila kita receive discount, dapat mengurangkan kita punya liability. So bila liability decrease, we need to debit the account payable. So that's why the journal entry will be debit account payable and credit discount received. So account payable, trading how much? It is RM38. And then credit discount received, RM38 as well. So sekarang kita bayar hutang, amount paid. So kita bayar by check. So we need to credit our bank. Has our asset decrease lah. Kita bayar kan. So bank berkurang, bank tu ialah asset. Bila asset berkurang, we need to credit the bank 1862. So bila kita bayar, maksudnya dah fully paid our liability kita pun berkurang. Bila liability kita berkurang, kita akan debit kan kita punya liability tu. So that's why kita debit account payable 1862. So samalah, you pun lepas dah buat journal entry, kita buka ledger entry lah. Okay, cuba fahamkan dulu. Okay. So next kita akan pergi pada carriage inward and carriage outwards. Carriage inwards and carriage outwards are both are expenses to the business. However, carriage inwards, that is postage, delivery costs, expenses from supplier to the business, will be recorded in statement of profit and loss as part of the cost of goods purchased. Carriage outwards, postage delivery cost to customer is recorded in SOPL as operating expenses. Okay. So maksudnya kalau you nampak perkataan carriage inwards and carriage outwards, it is referring to the postage cost. Postage or transportation cost. Okay. So kedua-dua ni obviously is your expenses lah. Tapi again, what is the difference between carriage inwards and carriage outwards? Is sama ada is a delivery cost to your customer or delivery cost from supplier. Okay. So tengok ni, carriage inwards supplier, and then this is your company, this is your customer. Kenapa dia inwards ke dalam? Maksudnya barang you sampai from supplier kepada kita, kepada company. So sebab itulah carriage inwards. Kalau carriage outward, keluar. Maksudnya you transportkan goods tu kepada customer, out. So it's carriage outwards. Okay, kena bezakan betul-betul ni sebab dia punya classification berbeza. Kalau dia ialah carriage inwards, in statement of profit and loss, kita akan recordkan dia part of the goods purchase. So dia akan masuk dalam goods ataupun cost of goods sold lah. Whereas kalau carriage outwards, we will record it as operating expenses. Okay, this one, carriage inwards and carriage outwards. Apa ni? Di bawah operating expenses. Kalau carriage inward, still lagi dalam COGS. Apa ni? Okay, nak cari cost of goods, cost of sales, opening inventory tambah purchase, tolakkan dengan purchase return, tolakkan dengan discount receive. Lepas tu kita akan tambahkan dengan carriage inward, tambah dengan duty of purchase, tambah insurance on purchase, and then kita akan dapat total ini. Kita akan dapat cost of goods available for sale. Itulah cost kepada barang kita untuk dijual. Okay, total cost dia. So you all kena betul-betul bezakan. Carriage inward masuk dalam COGS, masuk dalam produk sekali lah, sebab dia transportation cost daripada supplier you. Sebab tu kita akan masukkan dalam kita punya total product cost lah. Maksudnya COGS tu total of your product. Whereas kalau carriage outwards, maksudnya daripada company kepada customer, itu ialah expenses kita. That's why kita akan classifykan dia dalam operating expense. So journal entry dia, tak kisah dia tu carriage inward or carriage outwards, kita akan debit. Sebab LOR, okay, ingat LOR. Since kedua-dua carriage cost ni ialah you punya expenses. When your expenses increases, kita akan debit. Okay, so obviously kita akan credit sama ada cash or bank lah. Kita bayar guna apa. Okay, itu journal entry dia. So that's all. That's all chapter 4. So officially kita dah pun tamat chapter 4. Bila kita tamat chapter 4, it means that you all dah ready untuk quiz 1. Okay, so and you all dah pun boleh start you all punya group assignment, group project. Cuma tak boleh lah nak jawab, tak boleh nak siapkan terus sebab you punya group project pun cover chapter 5 sikit. So insyaAllah next week kita akan masuk chapter 5. So barulah you all dah, tapi sekarang pun dah boleh start dah you punya group project. Okay, so bye, Assalamualaikum.